Having trouble with Google search on Safari on your iPhone? It can be frustrating. If your Google search isn't working on Safari, try these quick steps to fix the issue. Solution 1. Active Google for search engine. Open setting. Scroll down. Tap Apps. Scroll down. Find out Safari browser. Tap the search engine. Select Google. This already selected Google. Then select Yahoo. After that, select Google again. Solution 2. Clear Safari cache and website data. Open settings on your iPhone. Scroll down. Tap Apps. Find out Safari browser. Tap Clear History and website data. Confirm by tapping Clear History and data. This can resolve issues caused by cached data. Solution 3. Disable Safari extensions. Open settings on your iPhone. Scroll down. Tap Apps. Find out Safari browser. Scroll down and tap on Extensions. Toggle off any active extensions or remove them. Extensions can interfere with search functionality. These steps should help fix any issues with Google search on Safari on your iPhone. If the problem persists, reach out to Apple support for more help.